So I'm over here at AutoZone, gonna try a different oil this time. I want to Seafoam the car first in the crankcase. Definitely want to use an OEM filter, going over to Valvoline to have them do a quick oil change. I could do an oil change myself, obviously, but for time's sake, I'm gonna have them do it. And I want to film the process of the sit in your car while you wait, do the oil change that way. I think that's pretty cool to see. So yeah, let's get started. So it says here to use 1 ounce for every quart of oil in the crankcase, so I'm going to use about 5.5 ounces. So it should be just over a quarter of this can. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Alright. Perfect, we're right about here, right where my thumb is. Let's do it. So let's do about 50 miles of hard driving through the back roads to get that Seafoam nicely through the crank, and then go over to Valvoline. Staying in fourth here is pretty easy. So the oil change was a success, got out in and out just in time. The car seems to run a lot smoother. Maybe it's because of the Seafoam, maybe it's because different oil type, maybe it's just because the oil was newer. But it does seem to run smoother than even Mobil 1 did when it was new. So only put in 5 quarts because it went up to the dipstick just fine. So I'm gonna wait to put this in as I burn oil and as I go, which does happen. Supposedly this should reduce oil burn, we're gonna find out. But so far, so good. Hopefully we'll see if I don't beat the 3/4 of a quart every 1,000 miles. And if so, I got a new oil to use. So sadly I couldn't film the in-car Valvoline oil change. They said I couldn't supply my own filter due to COVID, so I just went over to Jiffy Lube and they had me in and out real quick. But I figure, hey, I have an old cold start video from my Mobil 1 oil when it was new. I might as well see if car sounds any better now with the Valvoline oil and the being after the Seafoam treatment. So let's see what the cold start sounds like.